but it was about this city, this one of these green cities, right, that we hear about being built, and it was over in Indonesia somewhere. It's called Forest City, and just the money that went into this place, I think it was like $191 billion invested in this whole city they built from the ground up on this island. They built the island from scratch and off the coast of Indonesia and put up all these huge high rises and this amazing landscaping and just luxury everywhere. And it was going to be, I don't remember how many tens or hundreds of thousands of people were going to be able to live there and in this green, amazing utopia. And then COVID happened and nobody moved there.
Yeah.
And they were talking about it as the biggest ghost town in the world right now. And
I pulled it up.
God's agenda was different. He's like, no, this isn't the way I want to go.
That's right.
And so now there's like maybe a few hundred people in this place that go there just because they want this isolation. And it's just, but it's still landscaped. It's still being maintained because they're hoping something will happen someday.
Yeah.
But there's huge amounts of money pouring in just to maintain landscaping, but none of the restaurants are opening. None of the stores are open. You can't do anything there. But,
yeah. It's so silly, right? I'll read this because I pulled it up while you were talking. Forest City, Malaysia is a massive, partially built $100 billion Chinese-backed eco-city project in Johor. Envisioned as a futuristic metropolis, but largely dubbed a ghost city due to the low occupancy with only thousands of residents and vast empty towers struggling to attract buyers despite its luxury amenities, despite recent efforts to revive it as a special economic zone. With tax incentives, the project built by the country garden stalled due to Chinese capital controls, pandemic travel restrictions, and local political shifts, leaving many unsold units and an eerie, quiet atmosphere despite its futuristic design and nearby Singapore. And I mean, you can only imagine $100 billion. Let's see if I can, I'll share this really quick just for fun so those that are watching can actually see the opulence of this ridiculous building that Satan has completely whiffed on here, or whatever the yeah. So here you go. Here is Forest City.
It looks like an AI designed it picture or something, but it's actually real.
Yeah, isn't this ridiculous? Look at this.
Yeah,
this is insane.
Yeah.
Wow. So there you go. You guys want some cheap property?
And
go to
nobody
Forest
lives
City,
there.
Yeah, nobody lives there. So there you go. The enemy tries, man, but he just fails so hard because that's what he does. He just can't help himself.